Good morning. It's a happy day. So you guys are used to seeing me out at the job site late at night. This is early in the morning, so for good reason. We've got our windows coming in, so all the windows, including the big giant front windows, are coming in. I got two guys in a box truck about to deliver them. So we're going to get that filmed, offloaded, and hopefully in the next few days you'll get to see some windows getting installed. I am excited. Well, that was awesome. We got the windows inside. We are looking forward to getting this place buttoned up. So got a couple of steps I'm going to do before I actually place the windows in, but I'm kind of anxious to go ahead and get them in. I don't have the house wrap on yet. Not sure if I'm going to go ahead and set them and do a modern way of house wrapping. Most people will take house wrap and they cover the wall, cut a slit out, and they kind of wrap that house wrap into the actual window casing, or into the rough opening, and secure it so the house wrap goes actually inside. That's really the wrong way to do it. I'm definitely not going to do it that way. Typically what you do is you cut it to the outside of the flange, about an inch away from the window flange, and then you join the window, the sheathing, and the house wrap in that one tape on the flange. And then I think that's the way I'm going to do it. If I do it that way, I can actually go ahead and set some windows before house wrap. I know I'm going to catch some heat if I do it that way, just because it's not traditional. It turns out to be the exact same way, but I'm kind of struggling with which way I want to do it. Anyway, we'll see what happens. All right, guys, well, I've decided I am going to hang some house wrap and then hang the windows. I'm actually only going to hang a section of the house right now, so I can go ahead and get these two windows in. I've actually got a transition. We're going to be doing a synthetic cedar on this side and lap on that side, so I feel good about it. I'll use some of the siding tape to seam it up real nice, but you'll get a gist of what it's like to hang these windows. the casement window, we need to make sure it opens and closes okay. So what we're looking for is to make sure that it doesn't bind up. We're going to open it all the way out, and we're going to close it. Okay, now let's close it. Did it go? See, it's seated really good. We're going to latch it. All right, so it looks to me like it's latched, it's seated, it's square, it's plumb. So I feel like everything's good to go ahead and nail it all the way off. Okay guys, well, I messed up the camera. It wasn't recording when I thought it was. I got 2 windows installed. Y'all missed it. Sorry. Anyway, they're installed. I got 1 more I'm going to install. The bigger windows, I'm going to let my crew jump on that, take care of it. So you'll get to see the last one. Okay, you remember before when I was talking to you about whether you can do it with or without house wrap first? So this particular one I'm going to do without house wrap, and I'm going to have the guys cut it in. Once they put the house wrap on, we'll cut it in and tape it. It turns out the same way as the other ones. It's just you have to cut the house wrap around it. So no big deal. We're going to go ahead and set this as we did. I already put the flex tape on as you saw earlier. I'm going to go get the window. Jana's going to come inside and we are going to hoist it up. So we're not going to tape it tonight, but we are going to set it and hopefully get everything level the first time. So here we go. Okay, we got the last one nailed up. We're not gonna tape it tonight. It's getting dark. We got to get some food. We're hungry, but we'll tape it up tomorrow. It opens good. Everything's the way it should be. It's good to see that go in. I'm tired. Done for the day. Hopefully they're coming to wrap the house and put big windows in tomorrow. So that would be awesome.